This is Spencer Riggs with DDI, and we are going over another of history's greatest engineering triumphs and blunders. So, the power and prowess of the ancient Romans is no secret, but understanding the source of Rome's might is about more than technology or numbers. It's about resources. Specifically, it's about logistics. So the Romans had roads, and with those roads, they moved both people and equipment at a pace the world had never been able to match up to this point. And the Romans used it to conquer pretty much all of the Gallic regions, which is basically all of Europe north of Italy, but they did it with roads. And it's amazing to think about that. A free-flowing logistic supply of timber, manpower, whatever you needed. And it's hard to articulate the impact that this had in modern terms. The closest comparison, in effect, would be Ford with the assembly line. The relative speed and access just changed the way of the world. But what can we take from this? How can we apply this as design engineers? Because this isn't our field, right? This is for the process engineers to figure out. But that's not really true, though, is it? A well-designed product isn't just about the finished results performance. When you factor in process optimization potential early on, that can be game-changing. The time, money, freight, and labor it takes to field your products from factory to sales floor is where a substantial portion of expenditure comes in, and that affects bottom line. So, as product designers, we have to be able to conceptualize not just how to make something work, but how it gets there beyond a basic DFM check. And this is part of designing with intent. And it looks different from product to product, often a subtle tweak. Change the material to something a bit easier or cheaper to source. Take advantage of existing procedures to make moves towards weight reduction. Combine features or operations in general to decrease setup times. That optimization, being such an early consideration, is a huge part of what makes a business competitive. And with that ready scalability and those reduced processes, just like the Romans, we push ahead while building behind us so we can continue to press the market and dominate our respective spheres.